Man, that's gonna be fun.
Super fun. You get to climb it too. Just a cool footnote. See what your right foot was just on? See that white spot?
Foot doesn't want to stay in the crack.
Look, I'm trying to find a spot that it works for.
Man, this is rough.
Doing good. If it was easy, they call it CrossFit. CrossFitters hate that shit.
Man,
Doing good, man.
I don't feel like I'm doing good.
All positivity.
Man.
Breathe. Got it.
Yep. Kill me.
Breath.
Ouch. Slipping.
If you can back yourself out of the crack a little bit, off to your right on the wall, kind of behind you, there's a white dot for a foothold.
Oh, jeez.
You can always lean on the rope.
Where?
Look back to the right. You see that white dot?
I see it.
And then how I touch that there, how I get my foot on there is, do you have your foot on that big ledge right below it right now?
Yeah.
Cool. So what I do is if you lean your body out to the left, you can push your hands against that column over here. So your kind of feet are on one side, your hands are on the other.
Jesus.
And that opens up the space. Yep. You can put your foot on it.
Yeah, but then what?
Then you'll get your foot nice and secure on there, and you're gonna stand up.
Easier said than done.
Easier said than done, but I got you, right? Part of the fun of having the rope, you get to try things you wouldn't otherwise do. Nice day. I keep my hands on that wall on the left. I'm kind of pressing across to try to gain some altitude.
Oh, God.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hell yeah, dude.
Killing.
Nice. Having too much fun. Stop. Time to just about opening up the space. So the next goal is to get your left foot on that little ledge. Yep, that's going to be the next goal. So, do you think you can keep your arms spread how they are? Keep your left foot where it is. Do you think you can put your right foot a little higher and slap it somewhere on that column? Oh yeah. That's the full stem, dude. And now, how's that one? Oh yeah. Over in the hallway.
Yeah.
Don't get to do that in the climbing gym. Take a break. And honestly, there's a lot of different ways to do it. But that move you just did, you can do that from you to me.
Alright.
But there are other options as well. But when in doubt, think about it like that. Feet on both column faces, body right in the middle to kind of split the distance.
Sure.
And then just pop, 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 over a new groove.
Yeah.
Like you said. We're sending. Loosen your knee. You're almost here, man. Nowhere, deal with it later. You got it, man. Yeah. You're almost on that ledge, man. Nice. From here, you can also just get standing and you have handholds in this crack. Right? See these little chalk stones wedged in the wall?
Yeah.
You have holds there. Yep. You have a hold.